Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am show you how to turn off flash notification on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7. At the same process to turn off flash notification on another Android phone. Let's get started. Firstly, open the settings app. In the settings app is open, scroll all the way down, find the accessibility option and open it up. After the accessibility page is open, locate it and tap on advanced settings. Then find the flash notification option, open it. Right now here you can see the two flash notification options, camera flash notification, screen flash notification. Both options are currently enabled. To fully remove flash notification, so disable the both options. And you are happy you have successfully disabled flash notification on your phone. Thanks for watching.